Education, we made a proposal of 733 million for 2026, copying 2025. But DBM gave us 803.6 million. So nagdagdag sila ng 70, less than 70, mga 60-something million. And then, nung nagdagdag sila ng 60-something million, we requested for additional personal services. Siyempre, may cost yun, yung na-mention ko kanina na additional employees para mas ma-fulfill yung functions and other IT equipment that are needed for the OVP. Ang binigay na final ng DBM is 903 million.
That's 103 without the confidential funds na po yan?
No confidential funds. Hindi naman na tayo nag-request yan.
Bakit po ma'am? Hindi na nag-request?
If they want to give, they want to give.
Did it affect because of what happened in the house?
Additional okay na yun, hindi na siya, no. Hindi na.
Ma'am,
no more confidential.
Do we have a figure already as to how many additional employees or at least gadgets will be added that will be covered by the additional amount?
There should be a list from the office dahil the requested amount was more than 100 million pero ang dinagdag na lang from 803 naging 903. So 100 million lang yung in-approve.
Ma'am, clarification lang din as to the nature of the work of this additional personnel. Are they security staff or secretaries, receptionists? Ano po yung function nila?
Halo-halo na yan. Also for the satellite offices, for all the programs and projects, and of course inflation rate. Diba? Ano rin yan, we factor that in also.
Okay. Ma'am, how confident are you na papasa po ito sa Kongreso considering na mas mataas siya sa 2025 budget?
We can just hope and pray that they see the need for this budget.
Pero a-attend po kayo ng mga congressional hearings sa budget?
The staff, the full